B para kay Ma'am Mitch, beautiful. Kasi beautiful inside and out. Napakabuting tao. Yun, di ba? Siyempre, physically, kanino pa ba ako magmamana? Siyempre, sa kanya lang, di ba? Sa'yo lang, Ma'am Mitch.
Hey, Mitch is very approachable, even though, kahit ano yung concern. Even though it's work-related or personal problems, he's always there to listen and will give us advices on how to conquer it or improve ourselves or our personal improvement.
M. So, M stands for matyaga. So, sobrang tiyaga ni Ma'am Mitch sa amin, especially kapag may mga nagiging pasaway kami sa area. Siyempre, kailangan ng pasensya eh. So, ang tiyaga niya doon, tsaka especially sa akin, no? So, yan, thank you doon. Thank you sa lahat. And, ayun.
Dahil dyan, we love you, Ma'am Mitch.
We love you. Bye.